We are back for the last most games hosted by you by the Colour Balls in the Colour Dome. You see the whole crowd here ready to start the third event. There's a trophy up there, magnificent trophy, and today is the distance drag. How this event will work? So you go down, and the two furthest marbles will advance to semi-finals. Then we keep going until we have our gold medalists. Can you find secondary? He loves the cold. That's me, cold. First we got Snowballs, Team Horizon, Team Power and Green Ducks. Well, Snowballs in front, but Team Horizon and Snowballs will be the first two marbles to advance. Primary and Ducks will fortunately be eliminated. Start the comp. Yeah. Two good rivals of this Tom. Hornets, Melano, Thunderbolts, and Pink. I don't know, that's not Melano, that's Colour Balls, I'm sorry. And Colour Balls and Hornets who win this heat as well. In the end. Again. Two good marbles. How about Star Grace? Can they advance with bronze time sensors and disco balls? Yep, they can. Oh, disco balls! Try to come in to the inside. They were able to take it for themselves. No. Arctic Penguins. I mean, no, not Arctic Penguins. Ice Gibbers. Black Panthers and Lizard Eyes. Lizard Eyes. Oh, tried. Melanella movers with the Arctic Penguins. Lizard Eyes will get 10s. Black Panthers 11s. Black Panthers. Not too good stuff. Now we got Hornets, Colour Balls, Sandstones and Arctic Penguins. Finals will be the Arctic Penguins and Hornets. The Hornets better be happy with that result. Look about that. They're cheering. First time I've ever seen them actually cheer for a event. But now we've got Team Horizon, Snowballs, Melanetto and Thoughtguys. Well, Thoughtguys had a burst up, but they shot into second. Which means that Melanetto and Team Horizon will get 5th and 6th respectively. But this is a great final. Who's gonna get it? Arctic Penguins, Snowballs, Thoughtguys and Hornets. Who's gonna get the gold medal? And it's the Snowballs! The Snowballs! We'll take it! From the Arctic Penguins and the Hornets. Well done to them. This big crowd of ice chippers. The Snowballs better be happy with this result. And the Hornets better be happy with that performance as well. But that will include event number 3. The next event will be the long jump. So obviously we'll see you then. The Snowballs are victorious.